What's going on, everybody? This is Ken. I am back with another hopefully helpful video suggested by one of my viewers. I don't know if they're subscribed. I hope you are subscribed. It comes from Double D. I'm not gonna ask where that name came from. They were asking, could I do a video explaining steps on deleting info from an old car and transferring it to a new car. Basically, it's like buying it from a third party instead of just getting a brand new car, which was a really great idea. So I wanted to just do a quick video for Double D. So this is very important. Me, myself, I typically only buy new cars, especially with a Tesla or any other like smart car. I don't know how the other brands are, but with a Tesla, you have to make sure, especially if you are purchasing a vehicle from a third party, there's a couple of steps you want them to do, or yourself if you're selling your car to a third party. This is almost like a smartphone when you're basically selling your smartphone, to be honest with you. The first easy thing is, let's say I'm selling my car, okay? So I'll go here. Then I'm gonna go to service, scroll down, and you see right here where it says factory reset. That's all you're gonna do to wipe all of your profiles, and it will set the car back to factory settings. Whenever a new owner gets the car, then they don't have to worry about anything. They can just get in it, load their profile if they have one, and then be on their way. So of course I won't factory reset my car, but I'll just click factory reset, and it's asking for your Tesla account email address and your password. So it says please sign in. That's one really good thing. Nobody can get in your car, hit factory reset, and then boom, it's their car, right? So I'm gonna act like I'm just entering something in and a password, and then you'll see right here you can hit continue. I'm gonna just hit continue. And it's going to try to find it. And of course it says email password incorrect. Please try again. So that's how you factory reset your car. You need their password in order to do it. So I think that step is very important. But the next step, I think, is even more important than that. So if you are selling your car, you need to go into the Tesla app so you can remove the vehicle out of your account. I cannot stress this enough, because if you buy someone's Tesla and they forget, well, guess what? It might be a little complicated. Basically, the previous owner could potentially access and control certain features of the car through the Tesla app, like I do, or like you do if you are a Tesla owner. Basically, they can F with you. Now, you're asking, well, how can I verify that? I don't really know. So I'll put the screen recording of the phone, and I just really want to show you how easy it is just to remove a Tesla you're selling out of your account. I have the Tesla app up, right? So all I have to do, if I'm on the go, I don't have access to the laptop or anything like that, I'll just at the top right, tap on that. And then you see just right here on this screen, add remove Tesla products. So I'm gonna click that. It's automatically under add, where you can add a vehicle, power wall, solar inverter, wall connector. But the next one is remove. Then you'll see my car right there. Once removed, you will immediately lose access to your Tesla app. Like I said earlier, they can control certain functions in the car through the app. You don't want that. This is the most important part. I cannot stress that. Double D, hopefully this helps you. It's pretty simple. Just an overview. If you're buying someone's car, you need to make sure that they factory reset the car, like right here. And then you need to make sure they remove that vehicle from their Tesla account. You won't have no issues whatsoever. It's all yours. So I hope this is beneficial for anyone watching this who's thinking about buying a used Tesla or selling their Tesla as well. That's it. It's pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. This YouTube Ken. See you in the next video.